Hey guys, so today we're going to take a quick look at our latest integration. We are now integrated with Zapier. If you guys haven't heard of this platform, it's pretty big. Just Google search it and you'll see all that it can do. It's essentially a piece of software that connects one software with another software. And what we've done now is we've integrated into our platform so that when you send a push notification from our platform, you can actually create an automation that will send this push notification automatically to your Facebook page. This was the requirement. This is the first step in the integration, and this is the first one that we've got working. But there's like literally thousands, if not more, tens of thousands of integrations that Zapier works with, and you'll be able to create automatic automations and workflows, whatnot, to automate things from our platform to Zapier. So let's take a quick peek at what this does. I've already created this, and I'll go over the how-to in a second. But I've just created this myself now, and I'm going to send a push notification from our platform and show you what shows up in our Facebook page. So we've got the Be Like Us, the blue Facebook page. You don't see any post here like this. It's going to show up here in a second. I'm going to go to the platform back here, and I'm going to go to simple notification because that's what it's working with now, the simple notifications. Okay, I'm going to type, create a message. $12 purchases. Okay, so I've created a simple push notification. I'm going to, you see the message here, $double. I'm just going to create offer ends Sunday, April 28th. Okay, I'm going to save and push. So this is going to send a push notification to all of our users. Bear with me, this takes a little bit of time. Okay, $double. That was my last message too, so a month ago. Anyways, so we've sent 3,000 push notifications out, and let's go back over to our Facebook page, and I'm going to refresh this page. How do I do that with this recorder in the way? So now the page has been refreshed, and you can see automatically it went to my Facebook page. So this is a really cool integration. I just sent the push notification from the app, and it goes obviously to all your users, but now you are automating this and it's automatically going into our Facebook page as well. So that's how it works. Let's take a look at how to set it up. The first thing you got to do is go to Zapier, log in, create yourself an account. You can get a free account. My account's a free account. Once you've got your account and you're logged in, you'll see this dashboard. You go to apps. Okay, and add a connection. Now bear with me, I'm just doing this for the second time, so I'm going to say add a connection. So I've already got one created here for Facebook pages. You would basically add the connection and type Facebook pages, but I'm not going to duplicate mine in my account, so I don't need to. So you'll create Facebook pages. Actually, I will create it right from the start so you can follow this. So when you click the add connection here, you can see Facebook pages. It's going to take you to your Facebook page and make you log in. Okay, so I've done that, and the next step would be, so it's you can see that here. Okay, so I did a refresh of my page here, and you can see the Facebook pages too. Okay, and let's go to the next step. Next step would be clicking on Zaps, because you got to create a Zap. Okay, and so actually, when you come over here, you'll see Zaps on the left-hand side. I think you got to click this first. Yeah, okay, so this was the one I just did 10 minutes ago. Create a new Zap. Okay, new Zap. And you can tell this is AI generated. We're not going to use this because there's no relevant. It's not relevant at this point, so we can create it manually. A trigger. and action. So first we're going to select a trigger, and what you need to do is select webhooks, okay, by Zapier. So click on that. All right. Then you come over here, and the next thing you do is create the event as a catch hook. Okay, catch hook. Create that, and then after that, click continue. Now bear with me. I believe you go to continue next. Okay, so this is the webhook you're going to get. So you can copy this webhook and go over to our platform. And if you go to the settings in our platform over here, you will now see the Zapier setting here. Okay, you paste that webhook that you got from Zapier, you copy this, and you paste that in here. So once that is pasted, you will go back to your thing and you can test the trigger. So I've already got another thing set up for this Facebook account. Okay, so I'm gonna go back a little bit and use the other one that I've already. Actually, let me just copy and paste it. I'll copy this and paste it here. Okay, and I will do a test. Okay, that's saying successful. Then I'll come over here and I will test the trigger here. Okay, so now you can see this request A came over here. Now if I go to my Facebook page and I refresh the page, 1 second. Oh, what? Nothing happens there yet. So the next thing to do is, the next thing you need to do is your action. What happens next? So I'm going to click on action. I'm going to click on Facebook pages, and then I will, let's see, choose an event. No. 1 second. I will choose an event. We'll be creating a page post. Okay, click continue. Choose an account. And here you should see, this is the second account that I created. This was the first, so I'm going to choose that. Okay, continue. Page. Now I get to select which page I want this to go to. So I've got several different pages that I'm the administrator of. I will check the Be Like Us. Okay. And in the message part, I will select title as well as short description. So those are the things that are needed. Okay. And then I will click on continue and test the step. So this is where I test. And it's testing. Okay, it's connected. Now if I go to my Facebook page and refresh here, bring this down so I can refresh the page. So you can now see that the notification title is here and notification short description is here. So that worked. So the test was correct. I'm going to delete this message from the page because it is a, I can't delete it because I'm not logged in this admin. But anyway, so you can see that test worked. It shows the green check mark. It worked here. The next thing is basically hitting publish. And that's it. So now Zap is working with my Facebook page. And you saw the first end of it when I sent the push notification from the back end at the beginning of this video, and how it worked. So it's really a fantastic little tool here. We'll be expanding on the Zapier integrations as we go down the road with other features in the platform. But right now it's live and it's working with simple push notifications, and you can connect your Facebook page. We'll work on Instagram and that later, but right now that's what it's set up as. And it can save you a lot of time and a great little selling tool. Again, if any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.